Hello YouTube, Anonymous Stacker here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new here, please consider subscribing if you guys find value or just enjoy watching videos about silver, gold, and other precious metals. So I was just scratching out the address of Dissident Aggressor. This is actually the first mail call on my channel. So I know that DA has started to send out his first stickers. Back in 2020 he did not have any stickers, but now he has one of the coolest stickers in the community. So they're like serialized. Every sticker has a unique number, so that was really amazing. And I wish I had gotten that, but maybe we can do that in our next call once I have my own stickers, which are gonna be ready in about 2 to 3 days. So I'll be showing that off, and I'm waiting for those stickers to come so I can do the giveaway and send out the giveaway winners one of my stickers as well. So as you guys can see, this package was already opened up, and the UAE customs actually put their seal back on. So I did not pick this package personally. It was my employee. He picked it up and he told me, those guys, they were discussing what's going on, why are people sending these, but they'll let it go. So I'm actually very happy that I can receive packages from other countries now, and now I can also do a fair sticker trade once I have my stickers ready, hopefully anytime next week. So stay tuned guys, and let's just open this package right away. I know DA was very generous, and he sent me about 7 different coins. They're constitutional silver, because in one of my videos in which I talked about like 5 worst to best types of silver to stack, I did not have any junk silver to talk about. So that's when he decided, he's gonna be the one to send it out for me, so I can have at least some junk silver. Whenever I want to talk about it, at least I have something to show for it. So let's open this up and see what we got. Let's see what's in the package. There is a mail. I'm very happy to open my first mail call ever. First, let me check out and read this letter. Dear Anonymous Stacker, I hope you're doing well. I put together a small sample of American coins. Enclosed you will find 1898 Indian head penny, 1937 Buffalo nickel, 1943 War nickel, 35% silver, 1938 Mercury dime, 90% silver, 1954 Washington quarter, 90% silver, 1942 Walking Liberty half dollars, 90% silver, 1965 Kennedy half dollars, 40% silver. Enjoy them in good health. Sincerely, DA. Wow, that's amazing. I actually know like some of these, what these ones are, the 90% silver, but I don't know about the War nickels, Buffalo nickels, and Indian head penny, even though I've heard the name in different channels when people are talking about coins, but I did not have any idea how they look or what they are. So here we go. Wow, amazingly packed. Love it. So again, I'll just open these up and come right back so we can save some time. So opened up the first one. It's the Indian head penny, and I think this is what the DA's logo also looks like. I think that's why he sent me one of these. And let me know if this is a copper coin, because I don't know much about the junk silver, so you guys will have to educate me as I go along. Alright, so I'm just gonna put that here, and I'll open the next one. So this might be the 1937 Buffalo nickel. No, this does not look like a buffalo. This is 1938. So this is the Mercury dime, 90% silver. Amazing. As you guys can see, I have no idea about these junk or constitutional coins. I don't know what they are, so I'm just gonna match it with what's written on the letter. So thank you so much. I'll just make sure that this is the Indian head penny and not something else, 1898. Yeah, so that's that. And this one is the Mercury dime, 90% silver. Lovely. Amazing. So I'll just open the next one. Alright, so this is the 1954 Washington quarter, 90%. At least I know about the quarters. I've used these. I've held a couple of these. Not sure if I ever had like a silver one. But for 1954, this one is a very clean coin and very nicely kept. So has an eagle on it. Amazing. So let's just open up the rest. Alright guys, so this one is 1965. So that's the Kennedy half dollar, 40% silver. Lovely piece. They're also clean and nice. I mean, I'm very excited to have these coins. Thank you, DA. So I'm gonna put a link to DA's channel down in the description, so make sure to check it out, and I'll open the next one. Alright guys, so I've already opened all of these. You know, DA did a really nice job in packaging these, so I'm just gonna zoom it in for you guys. So this one would be the Buffalo nickel, 1937. That's right, 1937. Amazing coin. So this is the one that's the same as like the Buffalo gold coins. This is obviously the Walking Liberty. I knew about like a couple of these, the quarter and the Walking Liberties. I did not know about the rest. Obviously I've seen it on YouTube, but first time actually ever holding constitutional silver. I can't thank you enough, DA. And this would be 1943, I believe. I think that's the only one left. So yeah, this one is 1943 Vor nickel, 35% silver. Alright, so this is everything that DA sent me. Thank you so much, DA. And once again guys, make sure to head out to his channel, like his videos and comment and let him know that I sent you there. So thank you very much for the support and really appreciate it. And I'm gonna be doing my giveaway as soon as my stickers come in. So I'm expecting my stickers to arrive anytime next week. As soon as I get them, I'm gonna be doing the giveaway. Good luck to everybody. Thank you. I'll see you guys in the next one.